English Channel now and across the southwest, and it's cold out there, but to the south we've actually got some pretty warm air across France this afternoon, and temperatures have already peaked at 24 degrees in Biarritz with some sunshine. That's 75 Fahrenheit. What a difference. There's quite a good satellite picture to show you, which shows the low that's west of Portugal and Spain at the moment. That's driving in a lot of cloud and rain to western parts of Iberia, and it's also throwing in a lot of cloud across southern parts of Britain. It's been a pretty gloomy and dreary scene so far today, but what a contrast north of that front. Some beautiful sunny weather. Onto that in a moment. Now what that doesn't show, of course, the satellite picture, is the extent of the winds in the south. It really does have a chill to it, that easterly gales through the channel, and it looks as though those winds will pick up further this afternoon across the southwest and into South Wales. Gusts over 50 miles an hour in many areas, and it does also look as though through the afternoon we'll continue to see some damp weather. Sorry about that chart, shouldn't be like that at all. Northern areas, some beautiful sunshine though, very pleasant indeed. It's glorious outside in Leeds, staying that way this afternoon, and a similar beautiful picture in Belfast, and also as we head our way into Glasgow. Not that warm though, temperatures struggling a little, around about the 7 or 8 Celsius mark, something like that, but at least you've got light winds in the north. It's the wind chill that'll be noticeable in the south. Now over the next few days and into the weekend, we keep that chilly wind. In fact, it extends its way further north through the rest of the week, bringing that rain northwards into Scotland. And then we start to see the winds turning more and more to the south, so it should turn a bit warmer for most of us this weekend. Unfortunately, cold air could well come in later in the weekend again across the north of Scotland, something to keep an eye on. But for tomorrow's forecast, I think the last really sunny and nice day in the north of the UK, particularly Scotland, northwest England, Northern Ireland, a beautiful day, but a bit more chill to the wind, I think, so you'll notice that if you're out tomorrow afternoon. And in the south, it's still looking pretty windy, and it's looking cold and gloomy too, and I think we'll see more persistent rain coming in across the south during the day. Now watch how that moves its way north later in the week. It pushes right up across central and the northern parts on Friday. It does look as though it'll be quite disappointing in many northern areas at the end of the week, cold, wet and windy. In the south, though, temperatures start to pick up a little bit later on, turning more showery. And then for the weekend, it does look as though it'll be a touch warmer, southerly winds, but there'll be some pretty active fronts around, so not the greatest weekend to be out. There will be some rain for many of us. That's it. Back to you, Anna.
Thank you very much.